How to send Notcoin from Binance to Telegram wallet. Now, first of all, open the Binance app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on Assets. Tap on Spot from here. Now tap on Withdraw. Now search for Notcoin, as you can see. So after you find it, tap on it. So as you can see, tap on Send via Crypto Network. So as you can see here, they will ask you to enter the recipient address. So to get the recipient address, you need to go to your Telegram wallet. Now go and open your Telegram app first. Now from the sidebar, tap on these three lines. Now tap on wallets. And now as you can see here, tap on more assets and select the Notcoin, tap on it. And now here tap on receive. So after that, as you can see, tap on copy address. Now go back to your Binance app and now paste the recipient address that you copied from your Telegram wallet. Now here select the network as the open network. If you have the memo, you can provide it. If you don't, it's your choice. Now here type how much you want to send, as you can see. Now here tap on withdraw. So because I don't have any fund on my Binance app, I can't be able to complete the process. So for you, if you tap on withdraw, you can complete the process. So this is how to send Notcoin from Binance to Telegram wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.